What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing Maya's hair in this really cute protective style. It's super easy, and also at the end of this video I'm going to show you a little trick I use to make her hair look all one length, because as you know, the back, well, if you've been following me for a while, you know the back of her hair, all of it fell out and now it's just now trying to grow back, and so I'm dealing with some awkward lengths. So stay around for the end of the video. I'll show you a trick that I use to make it look all one length. So what you're going to see me putting on her scalp is this ginger mint hair and scalp fertilizer. I got this from Nurcreations.com. I will link them in the description box. So I've got this parted from ear to ear, and this whole section here is where she was completely bald a few months ago. So it is completely grown in, and it's grown in much thicker, and I'm very happy with it. However, I am left with some very awkward lengths, and I do plan to cut it even very soon, but anyway, I haven't yet. So I'm also going to be using the Just For Me curl piece braiding and twisting grip glaze. This is kind of a new favorite for me. If you like slick styles, I do recommend this product. It doesn't leave any residue or anything. Yeah, so I like it. So this is going to be a flat twist style, and for those of you who have been asking me for a flat twist tutorial, it is coming very soon. Please be patient with me. But basically you just take the hair and you twist it, and you just grab and twist. That's it. Okay, so you can see here that her hair, there's a dramatic difference in lengths here. So right there in the center is where her hair fell out and it's trying to grow back, but it is not catching up with the rest of her hair. So for this section, this is probably what I'll be cutting even very soon. But like I said before, stick around to the end. I'm going to show you how to fix this because I know this looks crazy. So if you have this problem, stay around for the end. So here's how the back looks. I just did like 2 layers here. Yeah, easy peasy. And you can always do braids instead of twists, but you know, in all honesty, I'm a struggle braider, so I prefer to do twists. And to me, twists are just a little easier on the scalp. And for the top part, I'm gonna basically do the same thing I was doing in the back, just adding a little bit of style to it. For this section, since it's the finest part of her hair, I'm gonna make this one twist and put beads on the 2 of them together, because this is kind of a weak section of her hair. So yeah. Okay, so I did the exact same thing on the other side. Now I'm left with this center part, and I'm just panning out so y'all can see how much her hair is just growing and it's finally getting thicker. Anyway, so for this top part, I'm gonna kind of part it around the front. I don't even know. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just kind of parting from one side to the next in a circular pattern, but y'all see what I'm doing. It kind of speaks for itself. just gonna twist it around itself to make a bun. You can always leave these down and put beads on the end, or however you want to do it. I thought it would be cute to put a little bun up here. And I'm just gonna garnish it with some cute little baubles. And this is pretty much the whole style. For her edges, I kind of half did her edges, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie. But I used the grip glaze to lay those down a bit. And that's it. That is the whole style. Okay, now I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to make this look more uniform. So I already did one. I'm gonna show you on this one. So you can see this one is hanging way lower. So what I do is I put the beads on and I push those beads all the way up. This much hair is going to be hanging out. I'm gonna pull that over that bottom bead, and I'm gonna secure it with a rubber band. I know I'm a little out of frame, but I'm gonna secure it with a rubber band. So then there's gonna be some of the hair left hanging out. So what I'm gonna do now is take my beading or my beader tool, and I did 2 beads at a time because I wasn't sure if this was gonna work when I was doing it. But you stick the beader through, you pull the hair through the hole, and you pull that excess hair up through the beads. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing to those top 2 beads. Put the braider tool through, hair through the hole, and pull the hair through the beads. Now the hair is completely concealed within the beads. So if there's hair hanging out the top, I just kind of gently, very gently twist it around the top and kind of just stuff it in there a little bit, and voila, they look all one length, even though there's several different lengths, but you can't tell because I have the hair concealed within the beads. All right, so that is a little trick that I use to make our hair look all one length. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me any questions down in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Peace.